Put a finger down if you know this trending song.
Pretty little baby, you say that maybe.
Put a finger down for each song you know. If you put more than 5 fingers down, you're the king or queen of social media trend. Easy mode.
Anxiety, keep on trying me.
Bonus round. Put a finger down if you're one of the rare trend experts to subscribe and like the video. Now let's upgrade to normal mode. Now you may put a finger down if you think you keep up with trends better than the first person that pops up when you click share and then more. Now expert mode. Type in the comments